Pleasant morning, children. I hope you are all safe and good. Today, we are going to discuss the book activity of Chapter 17 Nandita in Mumbai. Page number 139. First question: why did Nandita have to bring her mother from village to Mumbai? They are asking the reason why she brought her mother from the village to the Mumbai city. So, this is for their treatment. So, write briefly that it is for treatment. She is admitted in the hospital. Okay. Yes. The next question: Nandita used to feel like vomiting when at first she had used the toilet where Mama lived. Why? So they are asking what is the reason of her feeling of vomiting while entering into the toilet for the first time. So this is because of that toilet, public toilet, it is not well maintained. It is very dirt. It is always very dirt and it is often smells bad. It smells bad. So this makes her to feel like vomiting. Next question: in what ways Nandita find her mama's house to be different from her house in the village? They are asking the difference of her house in the village and the mama's house in the Mumbai city. She had the difference like they have the separate places for different activities like cooking, sleeping and playing. But in mama's house it is only one room. They have to fulfill all the activities there. So this is the thing. And for fetching water they have to move along. These are the some difference she faced. And next, what difference did Nandita find between getting water from the public tap and in the village? So they are asking the difference between the getting water in the public tap and the village fetching water system. So there if you see, they were quarreling and they are making fight to fetch the water from the public tap in Mumbai city. Whereas in that village, there is no any quarrel or fight. So this answer you have to write in here. Next question: was there electricity at that place where Nandita's mama lived? Guess. So they are asked us in a guessing way. So here in the picture, if you see very closely, you can observe that Mama's son, he is watching the television. So this is because of the electricity present there. So we can conclude that electricity is present in Mama's house where he lived. Okay. Yes, next. So this is just general. Do you know anyone who was admitted to the hospital? If you know any persons were admitted in the hospital, you can write here. For how many days are she or he in the hospital? For how many days they are taking the treatment in the hospital? That you have to mention. Did you visit the person in the hospital? So they are asking whether you have visited. If it is yes, you have to write yes. If it is no, mention no. Who was looking after the patient at the hospital? So you have to write the person, whether it is a person appointed in the hospital or else the relatives. So that you have to mention here. Have you ever seen a tall building where? So this much tall building whether you have seen anywhere. So that place you have to mention. How many floors did the building have? So you have to mention how many floors did the building have. How many floors did you climb? So if you went to that building, how many floors you have climbed, you have to mention. Write as a number. And the next question, page number 142. When Nandita first came to Mumbai, what were the things that she was afraid to? So the first thing, she was afraid of the crowd. So suddenly she caught hold to her mother's hand. So she was frightened for the crowd and for traveling in the bus. So again it is fully of crowd. So she was afraid of the crowd in that Mumbai city. Next, what are the difference between the house where Mama lived and the house in the high-rise building. So here it is given the two separate columns for the Mama lived and in the high-rise buildings. So the Mama lived house, it has only one room, whereas in here in the tall building we have separate rooms for all activities like cooking, sleeping, bathing, all those things. And here the tap, it is public tap, whereas in the high rise buildings the taps are provided in the house itself. And toilet, they use only the public toilets, and here they have the toilets which is built inside the house itself. Yes. And next, draw a circle around the kind of house you live in. Is it like the house of? So what kind of house do you live, and you are going to circle that, whether it is like Nandita's house or else the Mama's house or Bablu, or apart from this you can circle any other kind. Okay. Next question, where does the water come from in your home? So that is from your house where the water comes from, whether you have the direct pipeline connection or else you have to move for the public usage. Is there any electricity connection in your house? How many hours in a day do you get electricity? You have to mention yes or no here. If you have electricity, you have to mention yes. If it is no, you have to mention no. How many hours in a day do you get electricity? So totally in a day we have 24 hours. So in that 24 hours, how many hours the electricity is present in your home? That you have to mention. Which is the nearest hospital in the area where you live? So you have to mention the name of the hospital which you live near to that. How far are these from your house? So you have to mention the minute and the kilometers. So here if you see, the first thing, it is bus stop. So bus stop, where how many minutes and how many kilometers it's take. And next it is school. You have to mention how many minutes to walk and in what kilometers it is present. And next it is market, post office and hospital. So by this way you have to mention all those things. Finally, draw the picture in your notebook of different kind of house in your area. So you just observe the house which is present in your area and draw the different kinds of houses which is present in your area. And the next thing, why does Mama have to change his house? So what is the reason he will have to change the house? So that is because of the new building, that is a hotel, it is going to come there, so he have to move out from that place. Have you ever moved from your house? If yes, why did you have to move? So they are asking, have you ever exited from your house? If you have moved, for what reason you have to mention. And next, do people in your family have to go far for their work? Where do they go and how far do they have to go? So they are asking whether your family members are working far away from the house. If it is yes, and how far they have to go. So the kilometers you have to write. And the next, is it right that Mama and others have to move because the hotel is going to be built there? So if you feel this condition is right, you can mention as yes. If it is no, you can write as no. Who will benefit from this? So if they exit from that place, who will get benefited in that issue? That you have to mention. And next question, who will face difficulties? Whether the hotel building persons or else the Mama's house, who will face the difficulties? You have to mention. Do you know of any people who have faced this similar problems to Nandita's Mama? Talk about it in class. So if you know about the same issues you have heard, you can write as yes. If it is no, you can mention as no. Okay. And next, draw a picture of a house of your choice and color it. So here in this column you are going to draw the picture as your choice, okay, and you are going to color it. Okay. Thank you, children.